Evaluate the limit as t approaches negative infinity of 2t cubed minus 3t over 5t squared minus 4t. Now, what you do whenever you're asked to evaluate a limit as it approaches either of the infinities is you locate the leading term in the numerator and the leading term in the denominator and focus only on those. Write those out like so and simplify as much as possible. All the t's on the denominator go away, and you're left with 1t in the numerator. So 2t over 5. Now that we have that, we can write this out as the limit of t approaches negative infinity of 2t over 5. As much as it sounds right not saying this, what you do next is plug in negative infinity into t. So that's going to be 2 times negative infinity over 5. 2 times negative infinity is negative infinity, believe it or not. Negative infinity divided by 5 is still a really large negative number, so it's still going to be negative infinity. And that's going to be my answer. So whenever you have a limit approaching either of the infinities and the numerator has a higher degree, expect to have some kind of variable left over in the numerator. You plug in the infinity that you're supposed to, and however the math works out is going to give you one of those infinities, whether it's positive or negative. Either way, if you're going to have a degree in the numerator higher than the degree in the denominator, and you're approaching one of the infinities, you're going to get one of the infinities for your answer.